Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use a custom bullet list in your Google Docs document. Just to give you an example, I have this list that I want to turn into a regular bullet point. First, let's select the list and you can click on this icon to apply the bullet list into this list. So let's click on that and there you go. Now, I'm going to create some indentation to some of the lists. In case you are wondering what I'm doing, I'm just pressing the tab key on my keyboard. I do this so you can see the other variation of the bullet point characters. So after that, I'm going to click on this menu to open even more variation of this bullet list. And there are quite a lot of it. Let's try this one, and I think it looks better, or at least looks a little more interesting than the normal one. So that's basically the only customization available for the bullet list in Google Docs. However, in case you are interested to make a list that uses a character that is not in this part, that is not available in this menu, then there is only one way to do that. Let me show you. All right, let's undo the action, and I want to turn this character back. Okay. Basically what we need to do is we have to insert the special character to every single one of this item list. So let's go to the insert menu, go to special characters, and then here you'll see tons of characters that you can use for your bullet point. I personally haven't think too much about what I want to use, so I think I'm going to use this one, or maybe this one. This is very uncommon and still look interesting, so I'm going to use that character. And when you're done, you can just close this, and what I'm going to do is just to right click on the character and copy. So let's do the same for every single one of the item to create a list. And this is pretty much the only way to create a custom bullet list character in Google Docs. And if you want to create indentation, then you have to select the items like this, and you have to click and drag this tiny blue rectangular icon that is on the ruler side of your document. So let's click and drag it slightly to the right to create a nice indentation. And there you go. Now we have successfully created a custom bullet points in Google Docs. I hope you find this video helpful.